What's up, guys? This is PE Online, and we are getting right to it. I'm going to show you guys my PowerPoint, which says that it's PE 11/5/20 or 11/6/20. So it's either November 5th or November 6th for you guys, depending on when your class has PE. So let's get to it. We're going to go to the next slide. Our unit is weight transfer, which means that you're putting weight on different parts of your body. So we're going to be spending part of the lesson standing up and part of the lesson in the plank position, which is the push-up position. So that's why it's weight transfer. We're also going to be pulling our body, which means pulling our weight across the floor, which is going to be fun and good exercise. Our standard is number 1, motor skills. Our learning target is to successfully play the game and have fun. Our higher order thinking question is, what is the secret to being successful at this game? So same questions and learning targets as last time and standards, but everything's different because it's a different game and it is a different unit as well. All right, let's get to it. How to play. Watch me as I demonstrate the game. All right, so I'm going to make myself big so you can see me. The game today is back here. You're going to need 2 paper plates, or maybe you can think of something different. This might work with a piece of paper. You're going to be putting your feet on these, so this might also work with a piece of paper, but you just kind of, if you have paper plates, that would be best. Okay, and these are actually styrofoam plates, but paper plates, any kind of throwaway plates. Okay. And then you're going to need the 5 sock balls that you used last time, okay? So I've got them back here, but it's just a rolled up pair of socks, and you need 5 of them, okay? You don't have to use, if you look behind me, you don't have to use the rolled up sock balls for the place. Those are just places to show you where to go to. So anything you want to put on the floor that will make a line, just 2 things for you to go between. On each side of the floor you can use, but I'm just using the 4 sock balls, and then I've got 1 more sock ball that you're going to see what I do with that in just a minute, okay? So I'm going to show you how to play now. Alright, so for this game we're going to be sliding, okay? That's why it's called the sliding relay. So you're going to take your 2 paper plates, alright, and you're going to put them on the floor. You're going to stand on them. Okay? And then you're going to put the sock ball on top of your head. Okay? And then here I go. I'm sliding my feet. I've got the paper plates under them. So I'm on carpet. You can do this on the floor as well if you have a floor. But it makes it to where you can slide. Okay? So you need them. And then, oh no, the sock ball falls off. No big deal. You have to stop. But then you got to put it back on and then keep going. So this is all about balance. You're trying to balance that sock ball on your head and keep it from falling off. Now when you get to the other line, so I went from the line over there to the line over here. When you get to the other line, now we're going to change our position. So you're going to pick up the sock ball. You're going to put your toes on the plates. So you still got your shoes on or whatever you have on. You don't have to have shoes on for this, but you're putting your toes or the front part of your feet and your toes on the plates, and now you're going to get in the plank position. You're going to put the sock ball on your back like this, and now you're going to use your arms and your hands to pull yourself forward until you get to this line, and you want to go all the way across. So I'm going to go all the way till my feet get to the line. Okay, so now I've got 1 point. Okay, so then I get back up, standing up again, put the sock ball on my head, and then I go again. Okay, so every time you walk by sliding to the other line, and then you get in the plank position, and you pull yourself with the sock ball on your back, and you make it back, that's 1 point. So I have 1 point. So then you just keep going and see how many points you get. Okay? So you're going to want to go get your materials and play this game for about 30 minutes and see how many points you can get. Okay, so stop the video now. So you want to pause the video, go get your materials, play the game for 30 minutes, and then start it again. Push play when you're done. Okay, so do that now. All right, I'm assuming you did that. How many points did you get? All right, good job. So now we're going to go to what we always do. We're going to go to our higher order thinking question. So I'm going to make the screen so you can see that. I have not done that yet, but I'm doing it now. All right, so our higher order thinking question, what is the secret to being successful at this game? Okay, so what did you do to do a good job with the plates and the balancing and the sock ball? How did you do? How did you do it? Okay, so talk to a grown-up about that, and you can talk to a grown-up about your points as well. I hope you enjoyed this activity, and I'll see you next time for Online PE.